Morning students of class 10. This is the second part of the revisional video of chapter 6. Today we will start with peasant rebellion during the non-cooperation movement. We have seen earlier in the video clips that how the peasant revolt received some sort of support from the Congress and the leftist politics, and how the peasant revolt also became a considerable importance in the Indian national freedom movement. The first thing that we are going to notice is the gained support from the Congress leaders like Madan Mohan, Vallabhbhai Patel and Jawaharlal Nehru. The second thing that we're going to notice is the support of the leaders of the Home Rule League movement. Besides, the UP Kisan Sabha set up by Indra Narayan Trivedi and Gauri Shankar Mishra also added a new spirit to the movement. In different sections, this movement was felt, such as in Rajasthan. Gandhiji's farmers' movement received a great support. Fight against feudalism was an important aspect of the non-cooperation movement and the peasant rebellion. The farmers' movement were more organized during the stage of the non-cooperation movement. The leaders of the peasants were generally Bijoy Singh Pathik, Maniklal Verma, and many tribes like Bhils and other tribes also joined in this movement, and they set up their protesting allegations against the British landlords and the land. Role of Nehru in the discovery of India set up political ideas of the Congress and also influenced the farmers to a great extent. He actually established a cordial relationship between landlords and the farmers and requested the government to formulate some of the policies that will be in the interest of the farmers. And he founded the Ayodhya Kisan Sabha in 1920. Role of Baba Ramchandra in UP. Baba Ramchandra was the main leader of the UP Kisan Sabha, and he started aggressive movements, and the peasant movement strengthened in Sultanpur, Rai Bareli, Pratapgarh. Ramchandra and his followers founded the Ika movement and the Bardoli Satyagraha. The Baba Ramchandra of Faizabad was in the forefront of the movement in the United Province, and he was arrested in the false charge of theft. In Gujarat, we can see that how farmers in Bardoli in Gujarat started their protest, and Vallabhbhai started the boycott of paying taxes. Patel's daughter Maniben, Bhaktika, Mituben Pet, Sardaben Shah, Sharda Mehta, all were a part of the Bardoli movement. The Bardoli farmers' movement was strongly better and organized. Similarly, Vidyananda Rajendra Prasad were instrumental in giving it an anti-landlord character. In Bengal, this movement was mainly led by Virendranath Shashmal, and the main leaders or the main places where it was a bit more felt was Bengal, Pabna, Nodia and Rashidabad. In Andhra, we can see that how Congress leaders and others peasant has asked of stop paying taxes, and these are the main places where this non-cooperation movement and the peasant movement was felt. And now we are going to discuss about the Ika movement. Ika means unity, and it started in Hardoi, Sitapur and Barabanki. It was initially started by Congress leader, and later its reins was taken over by Madari Pasi. Even the leaders from backward communities joined this movement. The principal objective of Ika movement was that the farmers had to pay taxes in cash, and they will not be forced to pay taxes with their cultivated crops. No toleration of oppression would be by Zamindas or the peasants. So illegal taxes will be paid by the peasants. Peasants' eviction from land will not be allowed. To pay only recorded tax. The movement had a marvelous spark, and the movement was felt by arresting of Madari Pasi. Now we will study about Bardoli Satyagraha. It was started by Bardoli Taluk of Surat. It was started by 60 villages, peasants and others also joined. The cause of the movement was the dark-skinned Kaliparaj people belonged to the lower caste and composed of 60% of the population. And there they felt that they must pay a certain amount of tax, and peasants movement was made strong, and basically it was during this Bardoli movement that the peasant movement was greatly felt, and people realized that it was no longer easier for the people to. The higher class or Ujali Paraj engaged in oppression, forced labor and raping of women. Taxes were increased. Gandhinian idealist Mehta brothers requested Vallabhbhai to organize a tax boycott movement. Bardoli Satyagraha Patrika played an important role in unifying the peasants. Due to terrible flood in 1925, agricultural cash croppers were destroyed, and 30% of the revenue, which was later reduced to 21.9%. The lower class people who worked on the land were tortured, and this was called Hali system. Many communist leaders, along with Girni Kamgar Union of Bombay, extended their help. Prominent leaders were Maniman Patel, Sarda Mehta, Ravi Shankar Munshi. This video is after this. The next revisional video will be starting from peasant movement during the civil disobedience. Thank you.